Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and I wanted to add or to share with you some of the things that I am working on for March. One of the first things is I need to get this done. This is going to be a Minerva project. This pattern was gifted to me by them, and I have not cut out the pieces yet, but I'm thinking I have fabric that I can use that I can make that with, and like 3 different combinations of material, which I will share with you another time. But that is the current project that's up right now that I'm about to start cutting out. Okay, so when I was doing the other video, I was talking about making this top, which I've now finished, so I think I'm just going to add that into this video so you will see what the completed top looks like. If you follow me on Instagram, by the time this video comes out, you will have seen it actually already. But the next thing I want to start on, this is a pattern I've had for a while. This is Hot Patterns. It is the Weekender Breton T. This one here, I've made this before. I've made it with different variations also, and I really like this pattern. And I have this striped knit that I want to use for this. I think I bought this fabric on sale with that pattern in mind when I got this, so that's something I will work on. And this is how because with the hot patterns, if you're not familiar, basically you want to trace, at least that's what I do, and so I always just keep the traced pattern in a separate envelope and attach them together here. So that will be the next thing that I will be working on, and I think that then will be it. I don't know if you all are familiar. I just want to show you this. This is one of those spool holder things. I bought this years ago. Thought I would probably never really use it, but I've used it a couple times. It's come in really handy for me. So what I was doing actually with that McCall's top is the serger thread that I had really matched the yellow that's in the fabric. So that's why I did I did 2 bobbins basically, and then just use this so that I would have the three threads that I needed in order to use the double needle, which you can see right here. So that's how I set that up. I just did an extra bobbin and used that as a spool. The bobbin, the regular bobbin, is in here, and then I used the cone serger thread as my other spool. But this little contraption here actually came in quite handy. So that's just a tip for you in case you think, you wonder, why would I ever use something like that? That's the situation. That's usually about the only type of situation where I've used that little thread spool holder thingamajig. I don't know what they call it. I did get that one at Joann's one time. It was on sale. So that is one place that you can get those if you need them. But it's not something I use often, but it's something that once I got it, I was actually glad to have it. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I put up a new video. And I thank you all for watching. Let me know what you all are doing. You can leave that down if you have any questions or comments. Leave that down in the down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.